Good evening, friends. Welcome to SV classes. Today we will study about idioms and phrases. But before we start, let us know what are idiom. An idiom is a group of words established by usage as having a meaning different from the individual words. And a phrase is a small group of words standing together as a idiomatic expression. The use of idioms and phrases makes your expression more effective and powerful. सो फ्रेंड्स, हमने बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में देखा है कि ईडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के फॉर्म में आते हैं या फिर सेंटेंस के फॉर्म में आते हैं और हमें उसे आइडेंटिफाई करके उसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग ऑप्शंस में से फाइंड आउट करना होता है. इट्स नॉट अ डिफ़िकल्ट जॉब, इट्स जस्ट दैट वी नीड टू नो द एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ the question, that is idiom or phrase. So here are some examples, but they are good examples, और इनसे we will know how what are the actual meanings of the idioms and phrases. ये 5-6 क्वेश्चंस हम रोज करेंगे और इससे जब हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हमें idioms और phrases easy लगने लगेंगे. So the first is to egg on. A, just a beginning. B, to urge on. C, to develop something. D, an initial stage. So to egg on, इसका मीनिंग है an initial stage. So I will take the D option here. The next one, to eat humble pie. Pie is very delicious, but let's see what's the actual meaning of to eat humble pie. Humble pie means to confess that one is in the wrong. अपनी गलती खुद मानना कि हमने गलत किया है, इसका मतलब है to eat humble pie. So C option out of A, B, C and D. So we will go with the C option. Okay, next. Down in the dumps. A, in a solitary mood, in a bad mood, to be in an unfavorable situation, and D option, to decline. So the correct option for down in the dumps will be in a bad in a bad mood. We'll go with the B option. Next. Gift of the gab. Gift of the gab, we have 4 options here: the ability of verbosity, B, the ability of writing creatively, the ability to speak in an impressive manner, or a man of versatile genius. So the correct answer for gift of the gab is the ability of writing creatively is the correct option for this idiom. Okay, next one. At the drop of a hat. Now this is very simple. From reading itself we get to know the meaning. The A option is without fail, B, without delay, C, against the self-respect, and D, against the will. So the correct option for at the drop of a hat is without delay. So B option is the correct option here. Now next. To let the cat out of the bag. Now this is also again a very simple idiom. You just need to read carefully if it doesn't know the meaning, but while we practice more and more of idioms and phrases, it becomes easy for us to know the meaning. जब हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रीडिंग करते हैं, प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, then it becomes हमारे लिए आसान हो जाता है. It becomes easy for us to sometimes make the right guess. So A option, to disclose a secret, to set B option, to set free, C, a person without a shelter, D, to permit the thief to run away. To let the cat out of the bag has a meaning to disclose a secret, किसी secret को disclose करना. So class, here were 6 idioms and phrases. I took out the most interesting ones and the most important ones for you. In the next class we'll discuss some more idioms and phrases like that. So keep yourself updated with SV classes, and please share, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.